2023 Freewheeler. I'm going to make a quick headlight adjustment video because for some reason, I put the cloth on here just to protect it. If you look at it carefully, this shit ain't straight. Never been in a collision. This thing's fairly new, less than 1,000 miles on it. But this bitch is cockeyed. You notice that shit? So it's a simple adjustment that should have been done during QC before they sold the bike. I'm going to use this guy here. It's an H8 hex. I think that's what it is. So underneath here, see that bolt right there? Not the fat one here, but this guy here. This guy up here. We're gonna loosen that bitch and adjust it. That's all you got to do. You loosen it just a little bit. You're not taking the whole thing off. You just crack it loose. Be careful. Just put something down so you're protecting the fender. The fender and everything. You align it and you tighten it. So if I've already loosened it. But look at this. I think I can move it now. Hold on. Oh shit. So it does move. Look at that. Left and right adjustment. Now, my OCD is satisfied. It is now straight. All we gotta do is tighten it and you're good to go. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.